Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you all know that we are discussing the questions from sample papers and their answers. So this way we are learning how to write the answers, how to uh, answer the questions, and we are also revising the chapter through this question answer method. And dear students, also after writing the answers which we are writing here after finishing, you should analyze what more can be added to that answer, what more information can be added to that answer to make it more creative. Okay, only then you will be able to score better in your board examination. So that is why we are practicing solved question answers, so that we can revise the whole chapters, as well as at the same time we will learn how to answer a question. As I have discussed many times that you all know, most of you know what to answer, but they don't know how to answer. Okay, so this time we are learning how to answer. Now, so let us begin the practice of long answer type questions. In my last class, we discussed one long answer type question. Now I am going to write down the next question from sample paper 1. Life is second question. Life is full of trials and tribulation, full of trials and tribulation. Life is full of trials and tribulations which can be overcome by a human being through by a human being through his own efforts. His own efforts. Explain with reference to Kisa Gotami's life. Explain with reference to Kisa Gotami's So life is full of trials and tribulations. Life is full of ups and downs, full of sorrows, which can be overcome by a human being through his own efforts. Explained with reference to Kisa Gautami's life. So this question has been taken from Seriman at Benares, in which we have seen that a lady whose name is, a woman whose name is Kisa Gautami, her son, her only son had died. Because of that, she could not bear that loss. She went home to home for asking the medicine which could make her child alive. Finally, someone suggested her to go to Shakyamuni Buddha. She went to Buddha. Buddha wanted to wanted to make her realize that the human beings are mortals. That is why he asked her to bring a handful of mustard from a house where no one had died. She once again went house to house in order for asking a handful of mustard, but she did not find a house where no one died. Then at that point she realized that the life is full of trials and turbulence. It can be overcome only by the efforts of human beings. Okay, now let us write down the answer. As we all know, that success and failures are the parts of our life. As a human being, as a human being, we come across many ups and downs. But we should not regret on loss, whether it is materialistic or in the form of human relation. So as we know that success and failures are the parts of our life, as a human being we come across many ups and downs, but we should not regret on uh, the loss, whether it is materialistic or in the form of human relation. This is what Buddha wanted to realize. Kisa Gautami. Now change the paragraph. Kisa Gautami had only son. Kisa Gautami had only son and he had died. Kisa Gautami had only son and he had died. She had lost the control. She had lost the control over her and started moving door to door, asking for medicine, which can make, which could make her son, her only son, alive. So this is what Buddha wanted to realize. Buddha wanted to make her realize uh, the human beings are mortal, not human beings. All the creature who has who was born, who were born, they have to die. This is what Buddha wanted to realize Kisa Gotami. So, dear student, Kisa Gotami had only son and he had died. She had lost the control over her and started moving door to door asking for medicine which could make her only son alive. Next paragraph. Eventually, she reached Buddha. Eventually, she reached Buddha. He asked her to bring handful of mustard from a house he asked her to bring handful of mustard from a house where no one had died. Where no one had died. Again, she went house to house but she could not find any such house. Okay. At this point, she realized the truth of reality. At this point, she realized the truth of reality. Okay. Now let us write the conclusion according to your question. So it has been truly said. Let me rub it. So it has been truly said that the life is full of trials and tribulation. According to the question, you have to write the conclusion, which can be overcome by a human being, which can be overcome by a human being through his own efforts, by a human being through his own efforts. Okay, so it's all about the answer. So thus, dear students, add your point of view and mix the story, give the example of the story in answering to such questions as we have written this answer. Okay, so I hope you have taken the screenshot. Now I am going to write a question for your practice, and answer to that question will be discussed in next class. Questions for practice. Ostentation ostentation and vanity often land people often land people often land people in trouble in trouble. Matilda is an apt example. Matilda is an apt example Matilda is an apt example of this justified. Okay? So this question, answer to this question, you will have to write down: ostentation and vanity often land people in trouble. Matilda is an apt example of this justify. One more question I am giving you for practice. So I hope you have taken the screenshot. Answers to these two questions will be discussed tomorrow. Next question. Valli shows extraordinary courage extraordinary courage in taking a bus journey all alone. In taking a bus journey all alone. Explain how ability and courage. Explain how ability and courage are essential to fulfill one's dream. Are essential to fulfill one's dream. To fulfill one's dream. Okay, you have to to answer 120 to 150 words. Okay. So this is all about today's class, dear students. So thank you for watching this video. See you tomorrow in the next class. We will be continuing the discussion of long answer type questions in the coming classes too.